Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best custom gaming PC builds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. All right? Let's dive into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop. This budget-friendly build is a solid entry point for gamers looking to dip their toes into dedicated gaming PCs without breaking the bank. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor with speeds up to 3.9 GHz, paired with the Radeon RX 580 8GB graphics card, this build delivers reliable performance for 1080p gaming. Whether you're into esports titles like Valorant or resource-heavy games like GTA 5, you can expect smooth gameplay at medium to high settings. The design is sleek and packed with vibrant RGB lighting, thanks to its 6 RGB fans and an included RGB soundbar, which adds an extra layer of immersion to your gaming setup. However, the build quality leans on the lighter side, with a plastic-heavy chassis that doesn't feel as premium as higher-end options. Still, for the price, it's hard to complain. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, you get decent multitasking capabilities and fast load times, though the storage capacity may feel limiting if you have a large game library. In terms of value, this PC is ideal for casual gamers, students, or anyone looking for an affordable machine that can handle light to moderate gaming and productivity tasks. On the downside, the older RX 580 struggles with newer AAA titles at high resolutions, and the cooling setup, while flashy, isn't the most efficient. Overall, the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop is a great starter gaming PC that balances affordability and performance. It's a solid choice, but if you're looking for higher-end specs, keep watching. Coming in at number 4 is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. This build is a step up from our number 5 pick in terms of both hardware and overall user experience. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 CPU, a 6-core processor that excels in both gaming and multitasking. Combined with the Radeon RX 6400 4GB GPU, this PC is capable of delivering a smooth 1080p gaming experience for most modern titles, including Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty. The design of the Gamer Master stands out with its RGB lighting and tempered glass side panel, giving it a stylish, modern look. The build quality is solid, and the included keyboard and mouse make it a great out-of-the-box solution for gamers. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll enjoy snappy performance and fast load times. Although, like the STGAubron, storage could be a limiting factor if you have a large game library. This PC is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget who still want a reliable and well-built system. While it doesn't offer the raw power of higher-end builds, the Gamer Master provides great value for its price, especially with its 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. The main drawbacks include the RX 6400 GPU, which can struggle with demanding titles at high settings, and the lack of upgrade paths compared to more expensive options. Still, it's a great mid-range pick for casual and enthusiast gamers alike. At number 3, we have the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop, featuring the powerful Ryzen 7 9700X processor. With a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 5.5 GHz, this CPU is built to handle demanding workloads, whether it's gaming, streaming, or content creation. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB GPU, this PC delivers impressive performance at 1440p. With smooth frame rates and ultra settings in most modern AAA titles. The design is a highlight here, with the King 95 case showcasing stunning RGB lighting and a clean, professional look. The build quality is robust, and the 360mm liquid cooler ensures your system stays cool even under heavy loads. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz and a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, multitasking and load times are lightning fast. This PC is clearly designed with gamers and power users in mind. While the Skytech King 95 offers fantastic performance, it comes at a higher price tag, making it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, at nearly £47, it's not the most portable option. However, if you're looking for a system that can handle high-performance gaming and productivity tasks with ease, this is a fantastic choice. It's a premium PC that justifies its price with top-tier components and build quality. Taking the number 2 spot is the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop, featuring the Intel i7-14700F processor. With 20 cores and a turbo boost of up to 5.3 GHz, this PC is a multitasking beast. The RTX 5070 Ti GPU, with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, ensures stunning visuals and excellent performance at 1440p and even 4K in some games. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing video, this machine handles it all effortlessly. The design is a standout, with top-notch build quality and a sleek, minimalist black case. The 360mm AIO liquid cooler ensures phenomenal cooling performance, while the 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD provides ample storage space for your games and files. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, you'll experience buttery smooth multitasking and lightning-fast load times. This PC is perfect for high-end gamers and content creators who need cutting-edge performance. However, its high price point makes it less suitable for casual users. Additionally, the large size and weight might be a concern for those with limited desk space. Overall, the Skytech King 95 with the Intel i7 processor is a powerhouse that offers excellent value for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Finally, at number 1, we have the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop featuring the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This monster of a CPU is built for gaming excellence with a base clock of 4.7 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.2 GHz. Combined with the RTX 5070 Ti 16 GB GPU, this PC delivers jaw-dropping performance in 1440p and 4K gaming. Whether you're playing graphically intensive titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or multitasking across multiple applications, this system handles it effortlessly. The design is elegant and modern, with a stunning white case that showcases vibrant RGB lighting. The build quality is premium, and the 360mm liquid cooler ensures the system stays cool and quiet even under heavy loads. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz and a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, you get unmatched speed and responsiveness. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and multiple USB ports makes connectivity a breeze. While it comes with a hefty price tag, the Skytech King 95 with the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is the ultimate choice for gamers and professionals who demand the best. The only real downside is the cost, which puts it out of reach for many. However, for those who can afford it, this PC is a premium investment that delivers on every front. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy gaming.